Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your Meta Ads Manager account. First, open your web browser and go to the Meta Ads Manager website. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Go to Ads Manager or Start Now. Click on that button to continue. You may be asked to log in using your Facebook account, so enter your login details if needed. After you are inside Ads Manager, take a moment to let the dashboard fully load. Now look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You will see a small settings icon. Click on this icon to open your account settings. Next, at the top of the settings page, you will find a drop-down menu that lists your ad accounts. Click on the drop-down and select the account you want to delete. Once the correct account is selected, scroll through the settings options until you find the section that includes account controls. Here, you will see an option that says Deactivate Account. Click on this option. After clicking Deactivate, Meta will guide you through a few verification steps. This may include confirming your identity or entering your password again. Follow each step carefully as shown on your screen. Finally, confirm the deactivation when prompted. Your Meta Ads Manager account will then be deactivated. Thanks for watching.